All right, how would we solve this question in Python? So let's write a really quick script of how we can check if a key is present in a dictionary. So let's start it off by creating a dictionary. It's the right one. Let's create a dictionary. It's going to be 1. Let's go A. Yeah, A. Assigned to 1. We'll say D. The key value pair is purple. Doesn't really matter. We can just kind of toss in whatever we want here. Let's say 2. Its key value pair is going to be 10. And we'll do another one. Let's say, too many your internet. Key value pair is Gav. Okay? We have a dictionary with a bunch of stuff going on, but we have our dictionary. Okay? Cool. Okay, so I have my dictionary here, and what I want to do is I want to check if something, or I want to check if my value that I'm inputting is in my dictionary. So I kind of gave it away right there. We're going to be using an if function. So let's create a thing. We'll call it is key there. All right, and it's going to take in a value that we're going to pass later on. And what's it going to do? Well, so if x is in D, so D again is my dictionary I created there before. What I want it to do? I want it to print x. So I want it to actually print x right away. Actually, let's do it this way. Let's make this a little more interesting looking. Let's call it key. Let's do a little bit of string formatting in there as well. Key is present in dictionary, and we'll add a little space, and I'll have it pass in x. Actually, have it pass in D. Yeah, so it's going to actually show me what the key is and show which one is present. Let's do that. Let's make it just a little more interesting. Else, it's just going to fit my, so here print, let's do F formatting as well there. Key is not present in dictionary. And same thing, a little string format, it's going to print D. I owe a bracket there, and a bracket and apostrophe there, and I owe one there as well. Perfect. Okay, so let's see if this worked. So is key there. We're going to pass in 10. Oh, and it ran my entire dictionary. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to print just the 1. I mean, it's fine. It showed me all the keys, which wasn't exactly what I wanted to do. So let's actually simplify this. We'll take it out. I was ad-libbing a bit there. I was just trying to update it as I went instead of actually sticking what I originally wrote down when I was practicing. So let's do this again. I put in 10. Well, so 10 key is not there. All right. And let's put one that we know is. We'll put A. We run it. Oh, AQ, obviously not there. Run A. Key is present in dictionary. So very simple way of checking if a key is already in the dictionary. And I mean, this is great in the sense like you wanted to add to your dictionary, but you want to double check the key's already there. Well, this is a great way of doing it.